This is going to be the intro to a video coming up here on how to do the brake light switch on your Lincoln Town car. This isn't applied to most of them through the 90s through all the way up through the 2000s. It's going to be similar. crownvics, However, disclaimer, the video turned out kind of bad. So, there's some good scenes, and hopefully you get something to take away from this. And I want to thank you for watching. On to the video now. So, hopefully you can see this. We're going to show you how to replace the brake light switch on the old Lincoln Town car here. Let's get it out. Flashlight. Flashlight. Shine on me. Get some light on the situation. So it kind of melted our connector off. So I cut it off. I wired the wires together to get home. If you ever have it where you got a problem with you ever have where you have a problem, you can't get your car out of gear, just touch two wires together. You'll have brake lights on all the time, but you can at least get home. So, we got our connector right here, which is an S831. It's gonna look like that little guy. Boom. And then we got a brake light switch, which looks like this. And there's like a pin that goes through here with a cotter. So, that's gonna be fun. I hope this video turns out good. So, it is on there. And see, it's over here. Brake pedal over there. And there's a pin that runs through it with a cotter pin here. That's a poor little, well, I guess it's not a cotter pin, it's technically more like a clevis type pin. Ooh, I can't get it with my fingers. I have to, let me grab some ply and get back under here. There it goes. It's a tight keeper. This is what you got. Okay, and it shoves through a hole in the end of that pin. See the hole? So we're gonna have a nylon bushing. It comes off first, followed by our switch. So we got a nylon bushing and our switch goes on like this. So, it's what we got. It's original. Car's like 200,000 miles. What can I say? So our new one, now, it's gonna go on. See, you've got this rod for your master cylinder. Hard to film up under here. And shine a light. See the rod for your master cylinder there? It's going to go in between. It's going to go in between. So, it'll go in between. Yeah, just wouldn't pull out of gear. Now, and a good way to test that, since we're talking about this, if your car won't pull out of gear, have someone look and see if your brake lights are coming on. If when you hit the pedal, if you have brake lights, when you hit the pedal, then it's probably not this brake lights. It's probably something else, unfortunately. But your car has no brake lights, so it's most likely your brake light switch, and that's on most cars. It's a clean freaking pigsty is what it is. Oh well, it's the work beast. It doesn't get as much love as it really should. That's the sad unfortunates of it. The work beast doesn't get the love. All right, we got our cotter back in. We're back. Now I just have to wire up my brake light switch connector, which is over here. I have cut the wires offset. I'm going to use some of these heat shrink connectors. Gotta go get my torch. I mean, there's 100 videos on wiring, know how to do that. So I'm not going to show you that. And y'all have a wonderful day. Peace. Thank you for watching. And hopefully this turns out to be a great video. I don't know. Oh, I can turn on the light on this. New phone. So there's how she looks. There's that connector piece. I can show you a lot more here. There's the, it's kind of rusty in here. There's the rod behind. The bushing goes in that master cylinder, or brake booster. I'm sorry, brake booster rod that leads to your brake booster, pushes on your master cylinder. Start getting brake fluid dripping down on your foot, it's probably coming through them weep holes. Mine's dry, I'm not losing any brake fluid. I'm good. There's your LCM. If anybody wants to know where your LCM is, got the 8mm bolt that holds it and all. That's your LCM for your Lincoln Town car. Heating duct, yada yada yada. You get it though. You get it. And so